Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence works? How it can recognize your face, understand your voice, or even predict your online shopping habits? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into one of the key components of artificial intelligence, neural networks. Imagine you're trying to catch a ball. Your brain quickly processes a ton of information like the speed of the ball, its trajectory, the distance, and so on. Then it tells your hand to move to the right place at the right time. Now, that's a lot of calculations for just a simple catch, isn't it? Well, that's something your brain does effortlessly, thanks to its own network of neurons, billions of them. Neural networks in artificial intelligence try to mimic this amazing capability of our brains. They are a series of algorithms that take in data, process it, and spit out a result, much like how your brain processes information to catch a ball. Each neuron in a neural network takes in information, processes it, and passes it on. It's like a relay race, where each runner passes the baton to the next. The magic happens when these neurons learn from the data they process. They adjust and adapt, getting better and better at their task, like recognizing a face or understanding a voice. So, in essence, a neural network is a learning system. It's not just about processing data, it's about learning from it and improving. It's like a brain made of code, constantly evolving and getting better at what it does. But how does a neural network actually learn? It's all about patterns. Just like how you learn to recognize a friend's face by seeing it multiple times, a neural network learns by identifying patterns in the data it processes. The more data it gets, the better it becomes at recognizing these patterns and making accurate predictions or decisions. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the world of artificial intelligence and discovered the magic of neural networks. We've learned that they're like virtual brains, processing and learning from data, much like our own brains do. We've also learned that they're all about patterns, improving their performance by recognizing patterns in the data they process. In summary, neural networks are a fundamental part of artificial intelligence. They're behind many of the AI features we use every day, from voice recognition to predictive text. They're constantly learning, constantly evolving, and constantly improving, making our lives easier and more connected. So, next time you ask your phone to set a reminder or use a filter on a photo, remember the neural network working behind the scenes, making all of this possible. Remember that you're interacting with a piece of code that's learning from you and adapting to serve you better. That's the power and the magic of neural networks in artificial intelligence. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to understanding neural networks. Fascinating, isn't it? How a bunch of algorithms can mimic the human brain and learn from experience. It's a testament to the incredible power of artificial intelligence and a glimpse into an exciting future where AI will play an even bigger role in our lives.